creator economy boom, and you can profit for the first time ever. Creator-made content is earning more than TV and film. Hi, I'm Holly. You may not know this, but in 2025, creator-made content is generating more advertising dollars than traditional TV, movies, and news. Brands are shifting heavily toward creators like us, with budgets growing fast. The Guardian, now is your moment. Imagine what that means. You're not competing with big studios. You're taking their ad dollars using just your story, your device, and your authenticity. So while big corporations spend to stay relevant, you can capture the attention and income without a huge budget or team. The main points: ad spend on creators is expected to double by 2030. Brands are investing in micro and nano influencers because they deliver high engagement and strong ROI, rate of return. You don't need millions of followers. You need an ability to speak directly to someone who needs what you're sharing. If you're a mom, a retiree, or a coach wondering if you can compete, yes, you can. You don't need streaming higher fees. You just need clarity, consistency, and a system that works. The shift isn't slowing. Brands are moving fast and furious, and they'll hire someone tomorrow if you don't show up today. Every day you delay is opportunity lost. Comment creator below if you're coachable and ready to monetize your story. I'll share exactly how to plug into this creator boom step by step. Whether you're 50, 60, or 70, you still have powerful relevance to offer, and in this creator-based world, your age is your advantage. I can't wait to help you activate it. Put a comment below and I'll send you the info.